Hello everyone, in this video I will demonstrate how the SQL injection attack works. First thing first, let's see our database. As you can see, at the top right corner we have our database, and on the left side we have our Python program that we will use to connect to the database, and this function right here is our login function, which will do all the work such as data retrieval and also the injection attack. As you can see here, here's our simple query which is not designed to block the attack. So let's try to retrieve some data from the user perspective. So we will run our program, and so here we have our login page, so we can retrieve some data. Say we enter the username Kywal and the password is moo, because the username and the password are both correct. When you hit enter, you get the data from the database. And also you can try another username like dog, and password is wolf. Here you can see when you hit enter, you get the data. So let's try to enter some random incorrect password and hit enter. The login is like blocked, it's not successful. So so this is from the user perspective. Say if you were the attacker and you want to attack this innocent database right here, you enter the username dog, and you will use this malicious code right here. You copy it and you paste it here, and when you enter this piece of code into the password, what happens is here, this query right here becomes like this. So it becomes // from users, where username is dog and password is this. So here, as you can see, this is an empty string. It will be checked, and because it is most likely that a password would be not empty, so this part will be skipped and it goes to this part. And as always, 1 = 1 is always true, so the database will retrieve all the data. So when you hit enter, so as you can see here, you get all the data. So that's from the attacker perspective, from the attacker point of view. So let's say that we want to prevent this kind of attack. So what we do is let's disable this function, and here we will use this function right here. What we will do is like we use a parameterized query like this question mark right here. Like we modify the query, and let's run. Okay, so let's try to retrieve the data like a normal person, like a normal user. And here the password is moo, and as you can see, you can get the data. You can still get the data, and let's try from the attacker perspective, and let's use this malicious code one more time, and let's see what happens. So we hit enter, and here you can see the login is blocked. So yes, that's how a basic SQL injection works. Thank you everyone for watching.